Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2019 Ford F-350 Platinum. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a tow hitch, rear park sensing, the nice Platinum logo, backup camera. We do get a tunnel cover, you got a bed camera up there as well, tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, some nice red aftermarket rims, power-deployable running boards, mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors, side view camera, spotlight detected right there, turn light indicated, and blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do have two tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice red interior, plenty of door space, red accents on the door, flat fold storage system, floor mats, carpeted interior, got these gray accents, you got cup holders, 12-volt heated back seats, 2 USBs, and 110-volt. And of course you can fold this down for arm space and cup holders. Ooh, let me get that back in there. And we do get the Platinum logo on the back seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here we do have powered seats as well as massaging. Got the nice leather interior we saw in the back there up front. Plenty of door space, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. Got that red interior on the door up front. Power door mirrors, spotlights, lights, tailgate opener, pedal adjusters, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 76,662 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is also heated. You have your volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which you can then go through My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You got cup holders. You even get 2 more if need be. You got storage under here with some outlets, and it does close for some wood accents. The red and gray leathering on the center console with even more storage down there. Trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, and rear locking diff. You have your engine start. Heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12-volt and 110. You got storage above and below. The red leathering on the dash with a B&O sound system. Above me we have 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and we do have a nice rear window opener. We also do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a garage door transmitter. Engine brake, traction, hazards, hill, lane keep, and your 360 view of the vehicle. Looking at our main screen here, we have navigation, which station you're currently on, what phone's connected, and your heated steering wheel. For your audio, you do get AM, FM, but you do get Sirius XM, Bluetooth, all that fun. You get your climate controls up here as well, or down there, whatever you really prefer. You got your phone connectivities, navigation, any apps you may download will show up right here with your Sirius XM travel link. You got your settings such as Sirius XM, Bluetooth, display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your massaging seats. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7911, and you can head on down to PJ Ford or give us a call.